Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar began the monsoon session of the legislature on August 13th with his cabinet to approve a proposed bill to regulate the use of government premises and public property by unregistered organizations. The Karnataka Regulation of Use of Government Premises and Public Property Bill 2026 is likely to be introduced in the Assembly during this session. The proposed legislation is expected to require prior permission for the use of public spaces by organizations that are not registered. The move is being seen in political circles as potentially affecting the RSS, which has faced questions over the use of public premises. The bill could add to the tensions surrounding a session that has already opened amid political controversy. The cabinet has also approved the Sandhya Kiran cashless healthcare scheme for state government pensioners below 70 years, family pensioners and eligible dependents. The scheme is expected to initially cover around 4.93 lakh beneficiaries, including 3.11 lakh state pensioners below 70 and their eligible dependents. Under the scheme, eligible families can receive cashless treatment of up to 5 lakh rupees a year on a floater basis for secondary, tertiary and emergency care at empaneled hospitals. Service pensioners will contribute 1.25% of their basic pension, while family pensioners will pay 0.75% of their basic family pension. The government expects annual contributions of around 117 crore rupees against an estimated yearly treatment cost of 81.75 crore rupees. The scheme has been formulated under the Ayushman Bharat Arogya Karnataka framework.